Facebook is the most downloaded application in the world with over 7 billion downloads so far. Despite the latest scandals over privacy and low ratings in the Google Play Store, Facebook is still used by billions of people. WhatsApp lags behind and ranks second in the top of the most downloaded applications in the world so far. It has been downloaded about 6.9 billion times and is thus the most popular instant messaging application in the world. Like WhatsApp and Facebook, Facebook Messenger is a powerful and very popular application worldwide. The instant messaging application is on the third place in the list of the most downloaded Android applications in the world, with over 5.3 billion downloads worldwide. In fourth place is an application from Meta. It is Instagram, which has been downloaded over 3.5 billion times from the Google Play Store. It is one of the most popular photo and social sharing applications in the world, especially among the Z generation and millennials. TikTok is the application in the fifth place in the list of the most downloaded applications on Android with over 2.6 billion downloads worldwide. The application is constantly growing and is among the most popular applications in the world. We continue the list with another application from Meta. This is Facebook Lite, an Android application designed for low-speed connections and phones with low specifications. The application has currently been downloaded over 1.9 billion times worldwide. In seventh place, we have an application from Microsoft, namely Microsoft Word. It has over 1.8 billion downloads so far. It seems that Microsoft PowerPoint is also quite popular amongst downloads for Android. It currently has over 1.6 billion downloads. In this list, we also find an application for transferring large files between layouts. This is called ShareIt and has been downloaded over 1.5 billion times. The 10th place on this list is occupied by Netflix with a number of downloads of over 1.5 billion. It is clear that the situation of 2020 has left its mark on the increase in the number of downloads, this being a good way to relax. The first game on the list of the most downloaded Android applications is Subway Surfers. The game has over 1.4 billion downloads and is downright fun and competitive. Snapchat completes this top with an impressive number of downloads, about 1.3 billion worldwide. The messaging and photo sharing application seems to be very popular. Twitter is also a part of the list of the most popular downloads from the Play Store. The application has been downloaded over 1.3 billion times worldwide. Twitter is actually a microblogging site where you can follow news or users and share your opinions through tweets. The next application on the list is Flipboard with over 1.3 billion downloads worldwide. Flipboard is an application that gathers news, conversations, and stories on various topics and seems to be quite popular. Our list stops here and we end with one of the most popular games. Candy Crush Saga has been downloaded over 1.1 billion times by Android users worldwide. Surely you know all about it, and if not, it can help increase the number of downloads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you in the next video.